All right. What's going on? Smart money gang, man. Welcome back to the channel. So you already know what it is, man. Today, man. I finna to do the jackpot strategy part 2, right? Which is just showing you guys the Bollinger Bands. All right. So I want to show you guys how to basically look for support and resistance by using the Bollinger Bands, right? To basically break down how you actually use the Bollinger Bands, all right? But first, I'm gonna need you to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, right? To tune in to the channel, man, because I give out a lot of valuable information for free on Forex and how to actually trade Forex, right? Before, sinking a mentor, paying a lot of money, coming out of pocket, right? Actually find somebody to actually show you something. To even if you're interested or not, right? You should be able to make that that decision by yourself. Disclosure right here, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you where to put your money, how to spend your money, you know what I'm saying? But I do offer private mentorship where we do VIP signals. I teach you how to trade, guys, step by step. You get my methodology and my psychology, all right? Risk to reward, all of that good stuff, all right? So we about to jump right into the video. I don't have my timer on today because I'm actually going live, right, on Instagram. I'm trying to do a live on live session, man, on Instagram. I'm trying to get a lot of people involved. If they're not aware of Forex, or if they are, you feel me? Where we come over here and we run up a bag, all right? Small accounts, large accounts, big flips. If you ain't got the capital, don't worry about that. Come soak up the knowledge. You get the knowledge, right? And then the knowledge will take you to the next level, all right? So basically this is the Bollinger Band setup right here. This is pretty much how I set my charts up. I don't know why this is this color though. It's just going out. Wait. Oh yeah, no, that's cool. That's my 200 EMA. All right, but anyways, right? So look, guys, we're about to use the Bollinger Band technique. This is the Bollinger Band technique. This is the Bollinger Band strategy, right? Some may know it as the jackpot strategy, right? All I'm gonna say is that, right, everybody know about Bollinger Bands, right? So I'm just gonna try to show you the correct way to use the Bollinger Bands, to my knowledge, right? A lot of people use it different ways. Me personally, I just like to set my charts up simple-minded, simple, no indicators. But this was a training wheel for me, guys. It trained me, especially like if you don't understand support, if you don't understand resistance, it can train you. If you don't understand consolidation, right, when prices just ranging, this can really train you and help you guys, help your trading, right? Especially if you're new and you're just starting out trading, all right? Now, how you use the Bollinger Bands is simple, man. Simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tap on that right there. So what you got to do is you go to indicators, right? And then you type in Bollinger Bands, all right? So when you type in Bollinger Bands, a menu like this should pop up, right? We just want basic Bollinger Bands. We don't want nothing crazy, none of that strategy. Bollinger Band strategy, just pure Bollinger Bands, all right? So now what you do is you go over there and you set the length to 200. Me personally, that's the one that I use, right? And this STD dev, keep it at 2, right? And then for the source, we're gonna keep it at close, all right? And then for indicator time frame, we're gonna say same as chart. So if we on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the daily, the 30 minutes, the 15 minute, it's gonna be set to that, all right? So then you can go over to style, guys. So for my lower point, and like I said, guys, this will train you to understand, right, key levels, right? It'll train you to understand support, right? It'll train you to be able to find resistance. It'll train you to be able to find demand zones, and it'll train you to be able to find supply zones. All right, so that's what I would use it for, and I would use it for training wheels. I wouldn't really want it on my chart all the time, unless, and like I said, if you're really not real good with finding support areas and resistant areas, then I would, I would definitely use this as a training wheel, all right, as a guidance. I wouldn't just, like I say, I wouldn't just get too crazy and be like, oh, when it touch support, buy up, because that's what's going on. You got to remember, You know, you got to use everything. So you got to make sure you understand the trend with this. You got to understand, you know, key levels with this. It's a lot that go along with this. That's why, you know, you come to these private mentorships and you get that free guidance. And then, you know what I'm saying? That's how you take it to the next level, right? Because you get to figure out who you are as a trader, right? Because a lot of people think that by doing what everybody else do, that's going to make them a good trader. But, you know, Forex is what work for you guys. All right. So just remember that. And, you know, Ken taught you that smsfxmentors.com. Let's get it. But anyways, right. So you will go to your basic. Your basic will be the middle point, your midpoint. And I turned that black, right? Because my screen is white. Now, if you got a black screen, then you could do a white line or whatever color you want. You feel me? You could turn this purple, turn this yellow, whatever color works for you. Remember that. My upper band, I have it red. Why do I have it red? Is because I have it red because my bad. I have it red because, guys, I have it red because it means my resistance. All right. So when it gets to this top point right here, okay, I'm looking like, okay, whatever, depending on what's forming up here at this level, I'm gonna be looking for a sale to happen, right? But doesn't mean that as soon as it gets to this red point that a sale is going to happen. And I'll show you an example of that live, guys, right after this. So that's my upper point, right? And so therefore that is my resistance level. And then my lower point, I have it blue because my candles are red and blue, right? You might use red and green. You might use yellow and black. I don't know what colors you use, but it helps me more think like, okay, when I needed training wheels, it helped me guide like, okay, boom, this could be a support level. Let me see what's going on. All right, let me take it from here. Boom, right? So therefore, you know, that's my support level, right? So now, boom, that's all I got. And then for the background, you can have a background on, guys, but it look like that. Me personally, I don't need a background, so I take the background off if I am using this. All right, and this I usually use these this when I'm scalping, maybe, or maybe doing options. All right, so now we can hit OK, and then we'll go, boom, we'll be here. And then we'll get this beautiful, lovely screen right here. So what I'm gonna give you an example of, first thing I'm gonna give you an example of is when it does not work. All right, so look, as you see, right, and that's why I tell you, you gotta know other things besides this, because now look, price is at the red point, right? And then what did price do? Continue to go up, right? Price retrace right back to the Bollinger Band and still continue to go up, right? So you would have thought, okay, boom, it's still at the red. I'm about to get in for that sell. Boom, killed you. Boom, right here came up. Boom, killed you, right? So you got to look at it like whoop, came up to here, boom, killed you, killed you, killed you. All right. So like you got to look at it like as just, you know, you got to see what's forming at that point, right? It's not a for sure resistance, because you got to make sure you know levels and all that type of stuff, that good old stuff, right? So don't take this video to run and say, oh, you know what, I just found the new indicator, boom, 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 boom. Because at the end of the day, you still have to understand structure and know what's going on. And then I'm gonna show you a example of a of a sale that, you know, oversold, or let's find one. So you won't get it all twisted, guys, right here. So I'm gonna show you where it don't work, right? Then I'm gonna show you guys how it works and what you should do to make it work, you know, for you to utilize it, right? All right, so now you see right here, price came right here, and you're like, okay, boom, it's at the blue, right? It's finna buy up right here. We got to engulf and whatever you want to go by. Boom, right then, boom. No, it didn't, right? Then killed you, right? Killed you, right? Oh, okay, it's about to go up now. It's about to go up now because we oversold. You know, it's too many people bought, sold, so it's finna go back up, right? Boom, killed you, killed you. Oh, killed you, bleeding, killed you. You feel me? So you know what I'm saying? Those are two examples where it don't work, right? And then now we're finna just show you some smooth stuff when it works, right? When you following what is going on. So, you know, when you following trends and everything else, right? Everything nice, doing everything right, right? So now we got a good example right here, right? So price come up, price came up, all right, boom. So price get to this Bollinger Band, right? And now it's at a resistance point, right? So now I'm looking for a sale. I'm trying to figure out, okay, I'm finna get a sale. When should I get in, right? I go up to this point and I see what's going on, right? I see these smaller candles. I'm like, okay, yeah, this uptrend finna go for, it's finna exhaust out, right? It's finna chill out. Now it's like, boom, them little small candles. Now it's looking like it can't break through this wall. Now I'm about to say, okay, maybe the Bollinger Band is in effect, right? And I still will wait to see what candles is forming up right here, guys. So I will see, okay, boom. I see this candle came up and it still failed to get to the Bollinger Band. Then boom, next candle came up, still failed to get to the boom. All right, next candle came up, still failed to get up there. Now I'm starting to see like, okay, now let's get it. You feel me? So now you know you develop your bias and your entry from there. I'll show you another example of when you know what I'm saying, when it's working in the uptrend. All right. So now you come down here. And this is a real perfect example. See, me, I like gaps, right? So this is something else that I teach too as well, right? So we got a gap right here. So price failed to get to the supported line, right? Which is our bottom Bollinger Band, right? So when price failed to get to this Bollinger Band, right? We're trying to see, okay, is price gonna make lower low? So boom, we got our lower low. We waiting to make sure there's not a fake out right here. So we waiting, you know what I'm saying? We see a retracement, then boom, we see no more lower lows, no more lower lows, right? And then at some point we're gonna enter, right? And then we're gonna take it up to our Bollinger Band, right? It always go all the way back up to resistance, right? So you got to look at it like, boom, that's one way of thinking and how I would look at it, right? And then I'm gonna show you consolidation, guys, where you need to just relax. And this shows you like when price is consolidating as well. You feel me? So it's really nice for beginners, man. You really can use this to actually utilize the charts and actually make money, and then know when to stay out of the market. All right. So now we got price right here. It's dangling, right? It's going from here to under the line, on top of the line, under the line, really, really tight, hugging this line right here, right here. So what we call this is consolidation, right? So at this point, price is consolidating, right? So now we can either wait for breakouts. We can wait for breakouts of this box, right? And then we can try to get in a position. So that means we can stay out of the charts. Now at this whole time you see, or either you can know which way it's ranging. So it's ranging from this way to this way to this way to this way. So you would know, okay, in between here, you know how much space you got to move inside this box, or you can wait to come outside this box, right? And then you can try to, you know what I'm saying, look for potential higher areas, because obviously in this consolidation, it consolidated for so long to the point where it got to be some type of big move finna happen. So that's how you can start seeing consolidation when it's hugging up against this black line and it's playing the fence, man. This is called playing the fence to me. You know what I'm saying? It's doing this, did this same little pattern right here going this way, same little pattern going this way. I'm gonna show you guys. So then you see like, okay, even this right here, you know what I'm saying? You see this crazy little pattern right here, crazy little pattern right here, crazy little pattern right here. It just got bigger, right? The impulse got bigger, the move, the wave got bigger, right? But it's hugging up against that black, that middle 200 and your 200 EMA, which is that other red line right there. And you can always change them different colors so you can see what colors they are, so that you won't, you know, get confused. But my 200 EMA is red, so I wouldn't use the Bollinger Band in this situation. If I want to use the Bollinger Band, I wouldn't have my 200 EMA on here. You know what I mean? So that's just me personally. But you know, you got to figure out and try what work with you guys. So you know, consolidation, 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 consolidation. All right. And then we got a break of this box, a retest of this box. It's not finna break structure and just start going back inside this box. So, all right, guys. So, you know what I'm saying? So I hope this was kind of helpful to you guys, man. But this is how you use the Bollinger Band, which is like a part of Jackpot's strategy, right? So, but to me, it's just a Bollinger Band strategy. And like I said, guys, go ahead, try it, you know, back test it, pause it, replay this video over and over and over, get you a demo, retest it, retest it, retest it, retest it, retest it, you know what I'm saying? So until you get the message, right? So um I hope this video helped you guys, man. I hope it guided you guys. I hope you guys can use this and probably have a you know, a successful week this week, just by making sure you're being patient, you know, taking your time. And like I said, try Forex for yourself, right? A lot of people, you know, don't want to have a mentor or something like that. They might want to get into the market by themselves and just do their thing on their own, right? So you can come on here, reference my channel, and you can get all free access, all free content, all different type of strategies, anything you think that you need to get you to the next level, right? And then when you get ready, you can come get a mentor, and then you can come get you a risk to reward, you know what I'm saying, ratio plan going on. You can get you a trading plan going on. You can get some psychology going on. You know what I'm saying? You can get some analyzing the charts, right? Technical. You can get some fundamental going on, right? Adding that to your trade, and you can get some sentiment going on, because we can start a conversation. And then after that, you know what I'm saying, everything should be good, man. So you already know what it is. SMSFXmentors.com, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. And yeah, man, you already know, man. We know nothing but dropping nothing but bangers, nothing but heat. You feel me? If y'all really want to learn, man, come on here and learn for free. I got you. Let's get it, gang.